We all use PDF files on regular basis because this is one of the majorly used file format for distribution of information. If you work with PDF files on regular basis and looking for a better and less expensive alternative of Adobe Acrobat, then this video is for you. Earlier I published a detailed video covering UPDF, which is an excellent alternative of Adobe Acrobat. Now they have released UPDF version 2, and in this video let me show you some of the new features they brought in. First of all, you can see this is the new and clean interface of UPDF. In version 2, they made it very stylish and simple. Let me show you some of the options here. If I click on UPDF and go to settings, there are multiple different options. Under general, there are appearance. You can choose any of them like mint green or blue, whatever you want. What I'll do, I'll keep it auto as of now. There are multiple different other options. You can just evaluate and you can check. But let me show you one very good option, that is under view, you'll be able to see one option, that is eye protection mode. You can turn it off or on. Once this is on, you can select any of the option and your entire interface will change. Let me do one thing. Let me open one PDF file and show you. If I come here, I go to recent, maybe I'll open this particular PDF. And if I go to this UPDF another time, settings, and then under this view, what are the options I'll select? Based on that, my view of that PDF will change. So this is one eye protection mode they introduced recently as part of this UPDF 2.0, and you'll be able to make use of it. So this is another very good feature. Now there are multiple different other features available, but in this video, to keep it short and simple, let me show you 2-3 examples using which you will be able to understand how powerful this tool is. If I close it, and currently I'm in this particular PDF file, right? Now what I want to do, I want to edit this PDF. I'll go to tools, and then one option is there, edit. Once I'll select edit, now you can see if I mouse over anywhere, that particular text box is getting changed automatically. If I just click here and I just type additional text, then this particular text will get added. Now this is one part. If I click on these 3 dots, then you will be able to see a new pane will get opened in the right side where you will have multiple different options. Whatever the changes you want, everything you will be able to do. So this is on the editing part. Anything you will be able to edit. Now if I click on this selection tool and then I come here, you'll be able to see I'm able to move this particular component of the image from this particular image. Now this was a vector image, that's why I'm able to do it. But if you have any requirement to move anything, anywhere, any editing, everything you will be able to do, and that's not normally possible in PDF files other than you have a PDF editor, right? So this is the way you will be able to edit any of the PDF. Now this is simple. Let me show you 2 more things which are very, very important. If I close this particular file, I'll save. There are menus here. If I just click on this particular option, then it will have a cleaner view. If I click on tools, there are multiple different tools are available. Now in this particular version, they have rearranged and repositions all those tools and features under this type of menu, where you will be able to see multiple different options that you can explore. But one good thing is Multifile Operations, they have introduced multiple different features. One such option is OCR. You will be able to do it for multiple files together. All these options, whatever you can see, you will be able to do for multiple files. So for the OCR, let me show you using one file, and then you will understand what it's capable of. If I click on it, then it will ask me to add a file. I'll click on it, and then I will click on this particular image. Today only I scanned it from one of the newspaper. If I open it, you will be able to understand whatever is there. Let me do it. Let me open that particular file. You will understand what's there. So this is the file I'm opening. So this is one just scanned image from a newspaper where you can see this orientation, other things are not very proper. So all those things are there. So if you have any scanned image of any of the text, that you will be able to convert. So now we have uploaded that file. Here we'll click on this editable PDF, and then you need to select the language, otherwise this apply button will not enable. So once you select the language, then you can click on apply to convert it. But before that, one thing I have done already. So let me show you. If I go to UPDF, I go to settings, there are plugin. So if I go there, so OCR related plugin you need to install. Otherwise, if you click on apply, it will pop up and there you can install. So two different plugins are there. One is the converter, where you can convert a PDF to different other file formats that you can do. And this is for OCR. So this I have already done it. So that's why I thought of showing you. Anyways, you will get a prompt if it's already not installed. So if I click on apply, now it will work and it will ask the destination folder where will it save that output. So I'll select my downloads folder only and I'll click on save. Now currently it's processing file one by one and currently it's done. If I just come here and I open it here, you will be able to see the entire file. It is now editable. Now if I go to tools and I go to edit, I'll be able to edit anything. If I just type here new text, then it's a new text of this entire file. So you will be able to scan any of the image, and using this excellent OCR facility, you will be able to make it editable. So this is another very good option of UPDF. Now let me show you the most important thing. That's the inbuilt AI feature within UPDF. Currently I'm in home page, and if I just double click on this file, I have opened this PDF. It's a simple PDF. You can upload a very complex PDF also. In the right top corner, you'll be able to see one option, that is UPDF AI. Once you click on it, then one right pane will open. There is one option, chat with PDF. Once you click on it, it will upload. Currently it's uploading, and after that it will process and analyze. Now it's processing, and after that it will come back with multiple options. Now it is giving a very brief of this particular document. So there is a 4-pager document and it gave us a summary, and it is also giving you 3 different options. How can you ask different questions related to this PDF? This is a very simple PDF. If you have a 200-pager book, and there for your study purpose you want to prepare for, and you need to ask questions, so you will be able to use this option to ask multiple questions, and you will be able to get most out of that particular PDF. Now let me show you 2 things. One is you can translate this PDF to a different language using this particular option. Once you click on it, it will ask in which language it needs to English, or in which language you want to translate. That you can do. But let me show you the other option here, mind map. If I click on it, then it will generate a mind map from this particular file. If I click on go, then it will start working on it. Now mind map is one thing. It will help you to understand any concept in a very simple way. You can see this entire file it analyzed and it created this particular mind map. If I now click on this particular icon, then I'll be able to insert this particular mind map to home page of this existing PDF. If I click on the first option, the landscape orientation, it will paste. But if I click on this insert with the PDF size, it will align with the size of the PDF if it's in portrait or in landscape mode, and accordingly it will add. Let me click on this particular option. You can see it added it as a A4 size page only, where and the reduced zoomed out version it added. So this is the way whenever you are working with any of the PDF, you can create a mind map, you can insert in the same PDF only, so that you will be able to refer that particular file later. Now few of the other options are also available. If you click on these 3 dots, you will be able to download it as a separate PDF, or you will be also able to download it as a markdown file or an image file, which you can use in different other purposes. Now this is the way you will be able to use AI feature of UPDF within this application itself. So this is kind of ChatGPT of PDFs. Now once your PDF is completely ready, you can do multiple other things. You can go to tools, you will be able to convert it to any other file format, Word, Excel or PowerPoint, and all those things are possible here. So hopefully some of these features will be helpful for you. As a sponsor of this video, UPDF also shared some of the limited time offer that you can avail. I have added those links in description below. UPDF also offers a 30 days money back. If you are not happy with that application, that option is also there. If you are using UPDF and you are looking for any kind of support, they also have a 24/6 support available for any kind of guidance or help required. Using UPDF, you will be able to edit your PDF. But if you want to create PDF files, that too for free using ChatGPT, then check out this video to know everything about it.